Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a soap and I'm scenting it with Sun. It's a Lush Dupe and the scent is like a sweet orange and mimosa with a bit of sandalwood. I have a few Sun Embeds here that I'm going to put on the top. I didn't get quite enough made, but we'll just swirl the ends of the loaf. So I've taken and I've added my lye solution to my oils, and so we're going to start off by separating it off, and I want mostly yellow, so we're going to give it a little bit more yellow. And I'm using like a peachy or a coral, and it's like a peachy red. Large one, I'm going to add the yellow. This one's kind of a peachy color. Let's see how bright we want it to get. And this one is like a little bit of a reddish hue. So we'll try those first and see if we want to darken them or lighten them. Start with our yellow. Some titanium dioxide to the white. Okay, we'll add our fragrance oils and we'll see how it behaves. It smells good. Staying really thin. To the white. Let's start with my white. Right, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let it set just a little bit and see if I can get it to thicken up before I go ahead and try and put the embeds in. The Sun soap is set up, and I did end up waiting for it to thicken up a little bit so I could go ahead and put the Sun embeds on it. I don't know if you can see them, but once it got just a little bit thicker, I was able to lay them in there. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it. They turned out cute. They need to be cleaned up a little bit. So we'll go ahead, we'll let these set out, and then we'll get them cleaned up. And then they've got a cure. Thanks for watching.